So if I go to Canvas, I log into my account, I can see the assignment that I uploaded. I can click on it. Here's the original assignment. If I click here, it'll download my original submission. Open it up. Take just a second. It's an Excel file. So to see at the top, here's the part you're talking about it being a rote. Just a list of the essentials. If we scroll down, here is the elements that I have to do, or my project timeline. Here's a visual representation of my project timeline. Here's the reflection section. And then here is my actual journal entry. And so what I've done since the beginning of the semester is basically work on IRB approval. And right here in this section, it shows DNP Essential 2 and 6. And I'll just zoom in a little bit. So again, here's my journal entry, what I've done, DNP Essential 2 and 6, and the time I've spent this semester related to that particular topic.